Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jason and you're now tuned into I Speak Geek. So guys, I've been waiting on this product for a while now. So this is the Apple Watch Ultra and it replaces my Apple Watch Series 6. It was time for me to upgrade, battery was dying, and I traded my watch in. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing and a quick setup. So let's get this unboxed and let's get it set up. And this is the Watch Ultra. Of course, you get book guide, the watch itself, get a braided cable. Also, I went with the Alpine Orange band. Feels slightly bigger than normal Apple Watch, but it's not as big as I thought it would be. And I definitely like the color of the band. I think it really sets it off. I do have to say I'm loving the bigger screen. I feel like because I have nice size wrists, that this goes perfect for me. But it does look like it's taking a little while, so I'm just actually going to continue setting it up, and then I'll come back with my thoughts and reviews on the watch. Guys, this is I Speak Geek, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.